Alright, this is the Keurig K Supreme Plus, and I didn't find any videos on how to take it apart, so I went ahead and tried to figure it out. So, you're going to see here that it has these clips. Yeah, you might break a few. That's the front right there. Let me see. There you go, right there. Okay. There are 3 screws that you do have to remove from the bottom. Alright, I'm gonna put it back together and then show you. But yeah, so this whole thing comes off. You can see the there you go. This is terrible, horrible. Oh, there you go. See those clips right there. You might break some, like that one right there, but you can do it. All right, you remember the front ones that I showed you, right? Well, they go in first. Okay. You're going to wrap this around, get it situated, and then you're going to put the front in first. Okay, that's snapped into place. And now we're just going to put all these other little clips. You're going to push it until everything snaps together. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, remove those screws. All right. I guess I could do it all over again and show you how I did it, but this is how it's going to look after you remove the side panel. You see these locking pins right here? Okay, so that's going to go in like that. So you're going to lock everything together. You can see right here. See that? Okay, has the same ones in here. Alright, so you're going to remove the cover first. This is the cover that goes there. Okay, yeah, the video sucks right now, but oh well. Anyways, so you're going to pry this off gently, okay? You can see that it has these clips right there. 1, 2, yeah. Might break some, but yeah, so I broke off 1, 2, 3 out of the 5. Wait, is it 5? Yeah, it's 5. All right, so when everything is put together, right, you're going to remove the screws on the bottom, 3 of them. You're going to take off this cover. Might break clips. It's all about clips right here, okay? So once you remove this cover, then you're just going to slip this one right up, like that. Take it out. And then you're going to have to start pushing this off. There's clips on the inside and stuff. Anyways, it's just a bunch of clips. Yes, you're going to break some. 3 screws on the bottom, but if you really need to get into this, that's how you do it. Let me see if I can get it to where I don't have my tripod right now. Let me figure it out. All right, figured it out. So remember, once you have this off, right, this thing is going to come off like that. Okay, there it is, right? All right. take this cover off. Pull up on that. And then just start taking those little clips off. Alright, when you're taking this off, push a little bit out that way. Right? Okay, so we're going to do the back. See how I'm pushing a little bit forward? Kind of get those clips out of there. Okay. Oh, let's get this out of here. I never said it was easy. Alright, so I grabbed it and I pushed it forward and got one of those clips to come off. Now there's more clips down the side right here. And you just have to get the cable out of there. Right. And again, try to push forward on it. There we go. Alright, came off. Oh, right. Alright. Ow! Alright. There you have it. There goes one clip. There goes another clip. And voila. And then you just put everything back together. Okay. Wrap it around. Alright, front one first. Okay, and lift this. There's going to be a little clip on the inside that the side needs to go into, otherwise it's going to be bulging out. Okay. So there we go. Oh, come on, get in there. You got dirty, girl. Yo, yes. Alright. Why aren't you in there? Did I hurt you? Did I hurt your feelings? Alright, make sure the cable's back in there, same way you got it out. Alright. And just start putting it back together. Close it, close it, close it. Make sure this is inside. Get all those clips in there. Okay. It's all in. Let's do this thing. Okay. It's in. All right. One, two, three. Put those together and you're good to go.